Namaskaram, welcome back. The ancient way or ancient wisdom is eat when you're hungry and practice regular fasting. That's why in many cultures we have these religious festivals where you fast for even up to 21 days. Why is fasting so important, extremely important for our health? It keeps you younger, more youthful. It prevents diseases. It can help you to remove toxins from your body. And it can stimulate your immune cells. It can stimulate your stem cells and many, many more benefits. So the thing about fasting is first, you can practice intermittent fasting. If you refer back to my earlier videos, I've advised you how to do this intermittent fasting. For those who already practice intermittent fasting, then it is easier to shift to once a week water fasting. That means you drink only water for 24 hours. If you cannot do 24 hours in one stretch, it's all right. If you are having your breakfast at 10 o'clock, maybe you can wait until 12 o'clock and get used to it, then 2, 4, and then 6. 6 to 6 will already be 24 hours. Why is important for us? Now remember, this I've mentioned before. Our human body is capable of repairing itself, and we have to repair the wear and tear on a daily basis. We have to detoxify our body of chemicals and toxins. We have to remove the aged cells within our body. They are called senescent cells, and we have to actually prime your immune system and perform many other functions. So when does the body do? It stops doing when you eat. It only does when you're hungry and your stomach is empty. So that's why intermittent fasting for 8 hours of eating window, 10 to 6 p.m., 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Then you only drink until the next day, 10 o'clock. So it's 16 hours window where your body can perform these functions. However, if you practice water fasting for 24 hours, and you can do even better by doing 72 hours water fasting every 3 to 6 months. These are magnificent ways of keeping yourselves healthy, because in the body, you have to remove the cellular waste called junk. And if you look at Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, they're all associated with abnormal proteins being deposited in the brain. So all this cellular junk, if you want the body to remove, then you have to rest the body. That is fasting. Number two, there is a process in the body called autophagy. Autophagy means self-eating. So when you are hungry or during fasting, your body will have certain cells that actually will go and eat up all these aged cells and remove them from the blood circulation or in the tissues. Why? Because these aged cells can be a source of chronic inflammation, and they can also become cancerous. So if you want to stimulate your immune system, you want to stimulate your stem cells, if you want to stimulate your detoxification pathways, if you want to remove these old age cell senescent cells, if you want to prime yourself to be more youthful, all this happens, effectively happens only when you are hungry. So fasting is an absolutely wonderful way of keeping yourselves healthy. Or at least wait till you are really hungry before you eat. So this, if you can practice, it will actually upgrade your health. Yeah. Thank you very much. Namaskar.